How to use Uber Eats no contact delivery. So first of all, open Uber Eats app. However, in my region, the app is not available with its services, so it's not showing in my location, but it should show on yours. So what you can do is set up your no contact delivery. First of all, select the services that you want, or like ordering a food. Now you need to build your order. So add your desired items to your cart and proceed to the checkout screen. There, select delivery option. Under the delivery details, tap on the option to edit your delivery method and select leave at door. Now you need to add instructions such as type a specific clear instruction in the text field, such as leave on the chair by the front door or ring the bell and walk away. Now after that, place your order, confirm the changes and finalize your purchase. In this way, the driver won't contact and it will only follow your orders, and it will leave the order in the place that you have instructed him to. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.